Someone as India's billionaire Ratan Tata. Is there a moment that changed your life and gave you the most happiness? Ratan Tata replied, I have worked well, built assets, lived in the world's most expensive houses, and bought expensive things. At one point, I controlled 95% of India's and Africa's oil. And I also owned a steel mill. Despite achieving so much, I didn't find the happiness I thought I would. One day, my friend suggested we go distribute wheelchairs to disabled children. I bought 200 wheelchairs and we distributed them among the children. Seeing the unusual happiness on their faces, I felt like I was in a park where children were on a picnic. When I decided to leave, a child came and hugged my leg. I tried to push him away. Iyang ipatiran gamay. Aron mawa ang bata ng dukol sa iyang tingin. But he clung to me. Hingapos pa tayo ang bata, nipilit sa iyang tingin. I looked at him closely and asked, do you want an Indian child? His response changed my perspective on life. The child said, I want to remember your face so that when I meet you in heaven, I can thank you again.